Protesting against Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan calling DMK members uncivilized during a clash over NEP in Parliament. DMK has now filed a privileged notice against him in Lok Sabha. The notice alleges that the minister misled the House and tarnished the image of Tamil Nadu. The notice described Pradhan's statement as highly malicious, misleading and defamatory. Kanimoi said that Pradhan claimed Tamil Nadu initially agreed to sign an MOU with the centre for PM Shri School but later changed its stance. She said that he made the same misleading and incorrect claim about DMK MPs, which was designed to tarnish the image of the state of Tamil Nadu.
The union government is withholding the money which has to be given to Tamil Nadu, saying that we have to sign the three-language policy and the national education policy. They are ruining the future of the children of Tamil Nadu. They have education is in the concurrent list, and they have no right to withhold the funds which has to come to the children of Tamil Nadu. And moreover, yesterday in a reply to the question raised by a member of Tamilchi Thangapandian, a member of the DMK in Lok Sabha, he responded in a very abusive way, saying that we are dishonest, and he was calling the Chief Minister as Super CM. He said that Tamil Nadu people and our MPs are uncivilized. This is not what we expect a union minister. This is not the language we expect him to be speaking, and this is totally undemocratic. We demand an apology. Thank you.
Anti-Hindi agitation is the life and soul of Tamil Nadu. Thousands and thousands of students and youngsters were shot dead in 1965 agitation. So, Ariya Ranna, when he was the Chief Minister, passed the resolution unanimously that Tamil and English only, two language. We don't want Hindi. We will never accept Hindi. This is the background. But the Minister of Education, Dharmendra Pradhan, with all arrogance, he said, uncivilized people are Tamil MPs, Tamil people, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. How dare he says like that? He should tender apology. He says, I have withdrawn, nothing doing. You should tender apology. You have wounded our hearts. You have wounded the hearts of Tamils and Tamil Nadu, entire Tamil Nadu. The entire Tamil Nadu is banning over this issue. So you should tender apology. Otherwise, Mr. Prime Minister, you should throw him out from your cabinet. Oh, Prime Minister, you throw Dharmendra Pradhan from your cabinet.
See, I'm not privy to the meeting the Minister from Tamil Nadu and the Union Education Minister had in the presence of DMK MPs. I'm not privy to that. But Tamil Nadu is very clear. We are very clear that a two-language curriculum serves us very well. Tamil preserves our identity and is our mother tongue. And English is our link language to the world of commerce and science. And we are very well served with that. We don't need a third compulsory language thrust upon us. And there is complete political unanimity and societal unanimity in Tamil Nadu about the fact that we do not need a third language in Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, we are wearing black, and we are going to have a demonstration condemning the observations made by him, which is unbecoming, unwarranted and unethical, unparliamentary also. And also that we are against the three-language formula, and Tamil Nadu is always for two language, that is the mother tongue and the English. Already in 1968 itself, the government of Tamil Nadu in the assembly, we have passed a resolution, we have adopted it, and we have got every right to follow whatever language we want to, as per the constitution. We have done it. Nobody cannot impose something, and only if you accept that we will give money means it is arm twisting. That cannot be done by a union government to the state government in a federal setup.